Good day, members. I trust you are all well. We have NFP news tomorrow, non-farm payrolls USD. So I'm back with another video. We'll be analyzing the USD setups for the USD pairs for the coming USD news. So I'm on the daily time frame currently, looking at the candlesticks from the previous day. So today is Thursday, the 6th of April. So we have this day we have a bullish candle. It closed above, just above the previous day, and the previous day, looking at it, we had a pin bar below, just above the demand zone. It failed to break below the demand zone, so we still I believe we're still looking bullish on this move. We have a bullish day this day. Okay, let me go to the 4-hour. So I have my supply zone. I have my supply zone set here. Price tested this zone multiple times, making it a strong supply zone or a resistance. Price tested this demand zone multiple times, making it a strong demand zone or support. So if you can look at this, price respected this zone and sold from there, dropped down to the demand zone. So there were potential sellers there. They just took their profits from here. So I had my Fibonacci retracement placed from the high of the trend to the low of the trend. Price have not broken out of the 0%, but it just tested the demand zone and went to break 23 Fibonacci retracement level, and currently broke out of the 38% Fibonacci retracement level. So what I can tell you is that I'm bullish on the USDJPY. Currently we're looking to close above 50% dollar regions, sorry, 50% Fibonacci retracement level. So if we close above the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, or even above the horizontal line at 132.202, that's the daily horizontal line 5 days back. So if we break above the 50% and also we break above $13.217 region, we're definitely targeting the 100% at 133.733. So we could have something like that, a breakout of this 50%. It means that price will continue and reach 100%. Same as when price dropped, it broke out of the 50% and it continued down, but with more buyers coming in and leaving us a pin by candlestick, it failed to go down because buyers have already came in now and are looking for to take this price to the upside. So this is what I'm looking at, or currently anticipating, on the USDJPY for the NFP news tomorrow. So after a breakout, we could have an impulse pullback. Then from here we take more buys, or I could be wrong. Price could just bounce just at the 50% and then turn from there, and then continue to do the downtrend and break the 0% retracement level and just continue with the trend from there. So, and then if you can look, currently we're still on a consolidative state. Price has not been decided yet. So if you are to wait, just wait for a breakout at the 100% Fibonacci retracement level at 133.698, or wait at the 0% Fibonacci retracement at 130.403. This is what I have for the USDJPY tomorrow on the NFP news. Let me see the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, it's still respecting the direction that I'm mentioning. Taking a look at the EURUSD on the 4 hour time frame, I have my Fibonacci retracement level tool set from the high and until the low of the trend. Since I'm anticipating the dollar to the USDJPY to be bullish for the NFP, April NFP, this means that with the pair correlation, EURUSD will be negative. That's what I'm anticipating. So we had a consolidative state here. Price impulsed, pulled back, tested the previous breakout. It pulled back to that zone as continued with the trend. Eventually, currently it broke out the past days and came back into this zone, the resistance. So what I can say is that if we break the 100% Fibonacci retracement level, then EURUSD is bullish. But currently we're still maintaining the downtrend, or the sell territory. So currently price at a sell territory. This is where we should take sell signals opportunity. So what I can say, if price break this or close below 1.09254, that's the 5 days back horizontal line. If it close below, then we are looking to take sells. Even if also if it breaks the 61.8% dollar Fibonacci retracement, then we're still looking to continue with the downtrend, or we're still looking for price to change direction. This is what I'm anticipating for the Euro USD. I'm anticipating a drop from that zone, an impulse to break out of the 50%, and then from there testing the 38.2%, pulling back to the 50%, and from there we are confirming, we are sure, and we are taking long short positions, and then we'll take the sell to, we'll take that euro to the 0% at 1.07878. So this is what I'm looking at. I could be wrong, price could just go up and break the 100%. That means a different story, but this is what I'm having for the Euro USD, and from there we can continue to drop, possibly even break the demand zone. Taking a look at the daily, taking a look at the daily time frame on the gold market, gold price, gold chart. So the previous day, this day we had a bearish day, price was negative. The previous day we had a indecision candlestick, I can say a doji. We had a doji candle here, or a gravestone doji, those who know candlesticks. So looking at this, price impulse to the upside, tested 23.1, pulled back. Currently it's pulling back, testing 2000, the 2000 price. Let me go to the 4-hour. So on the 4-hour, we had a consolidative stage here. Price impulsed out of the consolidative state, and currently it hasn't pulled back to test the previous breakout. Are we together? Price impulsed, it hasn't tested the breakout. So what I can say on gold, I'm not really looking to much into gold, but I can say the institutional investors are positive. They are buying gold actually. So we're having an impulse. We had an impulse. We're looking for a correction, a pullback. So a pullback could just come here, break it out a bit, and then continue with the uptrend. But what I can say, price is high, price is super high, gold price is high, gold price is super high. It's so high that we sell high and we buy low. So what I can say with the information that I have, I'm looking for price to close below, to pull back, or change direction and close below this horizontal line, close below 1981, just at 1981. Then we'll look for impulse, then a pullback. From here we take some short positions to continue with the change of direction. The first target could be at 1903.89. So this is what I'm anticipating, and the next target could be at the weekly low of 1856, 5 weeks back low. So that's a 5-week low. So this is what I'm anticipating for the gold price for the coming NFP news. Hopefully there will be a bigger impact. Continuing, taking a look at the GBPUSD on the 4-hour time frame. With this pair, it has been really positive. Can see price was on a supply demand zone consolidative state. Price impulsed, pulled back, and then continued to break out of the resistance zone, pulled up and broke out of the high at 1.24221. From there it impulsed. Currently it pulled back, and they just wanting to like buy. Buyers are still intact on this market, but sellers are keeping this price. They keep coming on with the sells on this price. So what I can say, don't just take the orders now, but wait for price to close just below 1.23871. So if price close below 1.23871, that's when you could start to consider the sells. Currently it's not yet ready to be sold or even be bought. We will buy this pair if it breaks 1.25236. From here moving to the upside, we'll buy it when it breaks there, as well as sell it when it closes below the daily previous 5-day horizontal line, just below at 1.23844. We'll have an impulse, testing this zone, pull back to that breakout, and then drop like a rock to close the low at, to continue with the change of direction at and test 1.22147. That could be our target there. So this is what I'm anticipating on the GBPUSD for the NFP. The dollar is bullish. I'm looking to be bullish on the dollar, and then yeah, I could be wrong and it could turn out to be different, but this is just what I'm anticipating. Trade carefully, trade with caution. Let's possibly make some great profits. Risk money that you afford to lose. Cheers, stay blessed.